Hello Inventables, my name is Matt Haas and this is my entry in the X-Carve contest. I have a business in 2 states, a current state and hopefully a future awesome state. The current thing I do is this YouTube channel, Awesome Wood Things. I have a medium-sized channel. A big part of this contest is putting a like on this YouTube video, so if you're a woodworker friend of mine, slap a like on it. No, don't slap a like on me, slap a like on this video. The turning point in my business is when I realized I have 3 qualities that can really take the output of the X-Carve to the next level, to the awesome level. And the first thing is someone who's good at the craft. The second thing is someone who's an artist, a true designer at heart. I have a college degree for graphic design and visual communications, and I've been designing my entire life. The third thing is someone who has mastered the line art programs. I'm a former instructor for Adobe Illustrator at the local college, and now for the exciting future state, high-end sales. Gone are the days of selling a few dozen rainbow unicorns on Etsy, which are awesome by the way. No, I'm thinking gears. Really big gears, kinetic sculptures. I want to put showpieces in high-end homes. So think 2 or 3 a year, like grandfather clock level stuff. I'll need the larger X-Carve, the 1000mm rail kit with the reinforced rail, the Z-probe to get that surface height dialed in. It has some increased accuracy. This X-Carve could continue cranking out the awesome projects, and as I learn the process of putting together these kinetic sculptures, it'll all be documented on YouTube. It'll be an awesome ride. Help me do this, Inventables. I will not let you down.